Are you on your way to Marriott's Grande Vista in Orlando, Florida, and you're looking at a one-bedroom villa for your stay? Well, stick around. We'll check out the one we stayed in right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. We're going to head straight on in to this one-bedroom villa here at Marriott Grande Vista. This one-bedroom villa is actually over in the Clubside Village section, building number 97. So keep that in mind. This villa might look a little bit different than what you might have stayed in or might be staying in if you end up staying in a different section, a different village at Marriott Grande Vista. The resort was built out over many years, so the building styles, the villas, did change a little bit over that time. We are currently taking a look at the kitchen here. Definitely well appointed. All your major appliances and small appliances too. You of course have all the dishware, silverware, dinnerware, glassware, pots and pans, everything you need here to cook up great meals in this one-bedroom villa while you're on your vacation here in beautiful Orlando, Florida. Just off the kitchen here, you're going to find a small utility closet that has the in-room stacking washer and dryer. And definitely a great way to make sure all your clothes are clean before you have to return home instead of getting home with a whole heap of clothes that need to be washed. You're also going to find in here your dustpan, your broom, and some things to just kind of keep the villa tidy while you're on your trip. Now let's head on in a little bit more and we're going to take a look at the dining room table. Not too bad a dining room table here. It does have 4 chairs and a table and then a bench along the back. Now you might be able to get more than just 2 people along that bench. There's also 2 stools kind of up against the bar area of the kitchen. So you can definitely see quite a few people in this dining room here in the villa at Grande Vista. Moving in a little bit more, we now have the living room. A pull-out queen-size sofa bed, coffee table, couple of chairs, and a side table. Also, some additional artwork on the walls there as well. And of course, you're also going to find what living room wouldn't be complete without a TV stand and a large flat-screen LG television. Okay, let's head in now and take a look at the bathroom here in this one-bedroom villa. A double vanity sink area here with a large mirror, plenty of towels, of course your toilet, as well as a fairly large walk-in shower here in this bathroom of this villa. Now moving out into the master bedroom area here, you do have your large king-size bed, a nightstand, as well as a desk over there in the corner. So perfect for those of you that might be working remote or just need a desk to work on or maybe even put some stuff on during your stay. But the bedroom here, not too bad. It does have a king-size bed, like I mentioned, that faces a chest of drawers. It's kind of built in there. And unfortunately, not too much storage area in that chest of drawers there. Kind of the one disappointing thing we found about this villa. But on top of that chest of drawers, you're also going to have a fairly large flat screen television. Now moving into what is kind of the other side of the bathroom area, you do have kind of a small makeup area here with a large mirror and a countertop. The hairdryer's there as well. And across from that, you do have a large jetted tub. Now let's head outside to the balcony. You can actually get out to the balcony here from either the living room or the master bedroom there. Large sliding door from the bedroom comes out here as well. But out here you do have 4 chairs and a small patio table. Great thing about this balcony is it is enclosed with screens. So no worries about any of those nasty Florida bugs getting in here. If you're planning on coming out early in the morning or in the evening, sometimes those bugs can be pretty bad, but you don't need to worry about that in this fully screened in balcony area here. It does also have a ceiling fan in here as well, and our villa actually had a pretty good view out to the Clubside Village pool area. Okay, so there you have it, the 1-bedroom villa here at Marriott Grande Vista in Orlando, Florida. Are you planning a visit in the near future? I'd like to hear all about it down in the comments below. And also, we visit this resort quite often, know about all the different sections, all of the different villas. So if you have any questions about it, also leave those down below as well. I'll be sure to get back to you. And if you want to see more videos about timeshare, check out the description box below. For another video about Marriott's Grande Vista, check out the one up there in the upper right. And YouTube, they also think you'll like the one right below that. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, let's make your next destination a timeshare.